What's up, guys? Today I'm going to go over a few basic parts of a mixer. My name is Watson and this is Mic Check. It's a mixer that allows DJs to perform the cool tricks that they do. In this video, we're just going to talk about the basic parts that you can find on a mixer. First, let's talk about the channels. Most mixers have anywhere from 2 to 4 channels, and those are located right in the middle of the mixer. Each channel has a gain or trim knob, which helps you control the input coming into the mixer. Below the gain knob are the EQ knobs, which enable you to control the treble, mid-range, and bass of a track. Next, let's talk about the faders. First, we'll start with the crossfader. The crossfader is located at the bottom of the mixer and helps you create transitions from one channel to another. Many scratch DJs use the crossfaders to help them make their crazy sound. The channel faders, sometimes called up faders, help control the volume for each individual channel. Now, let's talk about the cue assignment. This enables you to preview the track in your headphones, which is important in helping you select the right track to bring in and make sure that you bring that track in on the beat. Lastly, let's discuss the back panel. Here is where you'll find the inputs for your CDJs and turntables, as well as the outputs that will send the sound out to the speakers. Here you'll also find a variety of different input points, including the power cord, USB, and MIDI inputs. And that's the very basics of a DJ mixer. If you have any questions or thoughts about topics that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Also hit subscribe. My name is Watson. I'll see you next time.